Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Beko brand washing machine and you're getting an E7 error and you're wondering what is this error and how do I get rid of it? And you may be noticing if you're doing this, you might be able to clear it out. You start a cycle, the cycle starts, and then it drains and throws up this error. And the reason that it's doing that is because this is an error with the level sensor. So, and unfortunately, there's not an easy fix for this. You're probably going to need a technician to come and figure out, is it the sensor itself? Is it the wiring? Is it the control board? Again, there's not an easy fix. But however, whenever you get these sensor issues, one good thing to do before you call a technician that might be able to fix the problem for you is to do a hard reset on the washing machine. And that's a pretty simple thing to do. All you need to do is turn it off, disconnect it from power completely, so unplug it from the wall or turn it off at the circuit, and leave it disconnected for a full minute. Then restore power, turn it on. That will clear out the error, and then see if it doesn't come back. See if it hasn't, whatever happened has kind of been worked out by that hard reset. So anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.